nucleoplasm. Where is present nucleoplasm? See, this one, nucleoplasm. What's it? What is the function of nucleoplasm? Nucleofluid, fluid enclosed by nuclear membrane. Fluid enclosed by nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane. Next, what's it? Act as the site of DNA and RNA synthesis. Act as DNA and RNA synthesis. Okay, see this slide. See this slide? Nucleoplasm, fluid enclosed by nuclear membrane, act as a DNA and RNA synthesis. Next, we have to learn about the nucleolus. What is the function of nucleolus? See here, nucleolus. See, nucleus is present in center of the cell, and here nucleolus structure embedded in cytoplasm. The structure embedded in cytoplasm. Structure embedded in cytoplasm. See, structure embedded in cytoplasm, composed of proteins and DNA. So this is also composed of protein and DNA. See both. Next, what's it? Maybe one or many is there. Ribosomes also formed here. Nucleolus. Next, we have to see the chromatin. Chromatin means it is a thread-like structure. See, here is a chromatin is there. Thread-like structures. And this chromatin thin thread-like structure and embedded in nucleoplasm, chromatin, DNA, RNA, histone. See, non-histone. See, DNA is there, RNA, see histone proteins. See, DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Next, RNA, ribosomal, see, ribonucleic acid, and histone proteins. What is the function of histone proteins? Non-histone proteins, highly alkaline, exist during the resting and stage of cell. Two types, euchromatin and heterochromatins. See, here is a euchromatin is there, euchromatin and heterochromatin. See, what is euchromatin? Euchromatin is a make RNA, loose form of chromatin. See, it is a make RNA. Euchromatin is a making RNA. Heterochromatin regulating the protein synthesis. Make RNA. See this one, heterochromatin regulating protein synthesis. regulating the protein synthesis is said. Next we have to see the chromosomes. Chromosomes is a rod shaped. They have to condense together. Okay. Chromosomes. See what will happen? It is a thread-like structure. This like structure is there. What will happen? It will be form the chromosomes. So it will be form the chromosomes. This like condensing. So this like forming the chromosomes. See chromatin and chromosomes. This is a chromatin and this is a chromosome. What said here? Rod shaped structure formed from chromatin condensed together, and when the cell is about divide. See, when the cells is about divide, this chromosome composed of DNA nuclear proteins. Next contain the information for inheritance. Information for inheritance. We have to see the, this is a human beings. This is a human being. This human being has a cell. Cell has a nucleus. This nucleus again what say? It is a condense the chromosomes. Chromatin material is there. See, here is a chromatin material is there. This chromatin material condense together. See this line. See this line. This line condense together. And finally it will form the DNA structure, double helical structure. Double helical structures. See here, double helical structures is a genes is there, this one. Genes. These are a gene. And this is a DNA. Okay. This gene. This one gene is a hair color. This another one gene. Next, eye color, skin color. See, this like passing the character from parent to progeny. Parent to progeny. See, this like forming the characters here, chromosomes. Next, we have to see the structure of the chromosomes. Next, we have to learn the structure of the chromosomes. What's it? Structure of the chromosomes. Structure. Structure is there. See, centromere, primary construction of chromosomes. Primary construction of the chromosomes, and connect the sister chromatids. Connect the sister chromatids. What's it? This one? Primary construction of chromosomes. Centromere. Centromere. Primary construction of chromosomes. Construction of chromosomes. Next, connect the sister chromatids. Connect the sister chromatids. See, for example, here is there centromere. See, this is a centromere. See, this like coming sister chromatids. Okay. See, here is a kinetochore is there. See this one side kinetochore and it is a centromere chromatids. See this one centromere, this one chromatids. Okay. See what's it? Centromere, primary construction of the chromosomes. See, this is a centromere. Next, connect the sister chromatids. These both are a sister chromatids. This one. These both are a sister chromatids. Next, we have to learn the kinetochore. What is the function of kinetochore? See, disc-shaped structure present on the side of the centromere, composed of proteins. Disc-shaped, composed of disc-shaped and composed of proteins. Composed of proteins. See, kinetochore, disc shape is there. So we have to see this disc shape, and so it is composed of proteins. Next, chromosomes classification. Chromosomes is a classification. See their position. Position is a different is there. Chromosomes classification. See, what is the classification? We have to classify based on the classification position of centromere: metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric, telocentric is there. Metacentric, first one is a metacentric. Metacentric and submetacentric, acrocentric, telocentric. So we have to learn